This video is just a quick introduction to why we need the quadratic formula. The next videos are actually going to show you how to use it. Let's say that you have a baseball player that hits a ball into the outfield, and this function models the path of the ball. So home plate would be here, the ball would be hit 3 feet above the ground, it would go up and it would go down, and then it would land. We're finding out how far the ball will travel before it hits the ground. We are looking for an x-intercept. Now in the past, if we didn't have technology to graph, what we would do is we would first of all factor the trinomial. We've done plenty of examples like that. And then we would use the zero product property, which would then lead us to our x-intercept. As I'm looking at this trinomial and I'm thinking about factoring, I look at these very scary decimals and I don't want to factor, and I wish there was another way to do it. Fortunately, there is. Instead of factoring and using the zero product property, we're going to use this quadratic formula. It's an alternate way to factoring. It's an alternate to factoring, and it will also find the x-intercepts. This is the quadratic formula. It looks scary and difficult, but I promise you it's not. We're not going to ask you to memorize this formula. We're only going to ask you to know how to use it. Right now, I'm going to do some silent demonstration of how to use it. See if you can figure out what I'm doing. That's all. You're ready for the next video. This last number here for C is this guy. And where do you see him? Right there. Now I'm not going to continue this example because you're going to see plenty of examples in the other videos, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of an introduction to why we use quadratic formula and how these numbers can be used. Good luck on the next videos.